Weekly horoscope, week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. The preview, preview. Preview is a in which we only share one part out of all the 6 parts of the premium content. Preview is we only share the conclusion part 1. In premium content, we have transits for this coming week, transit of moon, the impact of moon's transit on you, what are the results, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, the task precautions and chanting. Precautions you need, task you need it to balance the astrological equation if you want to. Precaution what you shouldn't do, and the chanting how you can boost yourself up spiritually. All the elements are there in the premium content, but if you want to, then you can visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire the premium content from my website. These weekly horoscopes or the monthly horoscopes, even the yearly horoscopes which I produce, these are applied horoscopes. They are fully applicable. And a lot of information is given to you. You can change or maneuver the astrological equation if you want to for your benefit. And a lot of things is given to share with you. You can take advantage of these particular horoscope, weekly horoscope. If something is important coming in the coming week, and like as a job interview or legal case, court date, or any particular important meeting, and you want to see that what the best you can do, or presentation, or the particular event of the week, you want things go smoothly, whatever the help you can take it astrologically as given in this particular weekly horoscope. But the premium content we share the whole, but the preview we only share the part. But in this preview as well, you have to watch the video till the end, because in the last part of we call supporting statement for each and every sign, which is individual according to your weekly horoscope, individual horoscope for each and every sign. So we define the equation and try to explain to you what is what. But at the end of the day is your choice. My weekly horoscopes are applied horoscopes. If you are concerned about the coming week and you need some sort of a support, guidance or help, and you want to maneuver your astrological equation, then these are horoscopes are for you. How important is the coming week for you, and what are the important events happening, which at what stage you are in your life, at what moment you are in, and what you want to achieve. So it's all depend on you. There is purely applied astrology weekly horoscopes. So if you want to apply and use the application of astrology and maneuver the equation and achieve the benefit, and if you want to do that, it's entirely up to you. It's all depend on, this is not wishy-washy kind of horoscope, this will happen, this will explain to you what is what. More magnifying as much we can for the complete information for the coming week. So best of luck for all of you. But kindly watch the whole video till the end. Libra weekly brief forecast, week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. Libra, this is the coming week for you. Libra, due to Rahu's position in 8th house, watch your health, harmony, happiness. Watch your behavior, look after your marriage relationship. Venus, Ketu position in 2nd house. Look after your flow of income. Refrain from any kind of scandalous relationship. Jupiter, Saturn position in 4th house. Watch your family equation. Refrain from sadness or grumpiness. Moon position in 6th house. Look after your energy level. Mars, Mercury in 12th house. Refrain from any kind of a loss of money through investment or speculation. Sun position in Lagna. Watch your decision and choices. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, define you, moon's transit effect for you for this coming week. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report to define you, what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must do or exercise in the whole 7 days to achieve your supremacy spiritually, to accomplish your objective. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Libra weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Libra. In this coming week, your willpower, determination, enthusiasm will be sky high. And your foreign project will be back on track. Libra, you will be very much active, creative, dynamic. There are few family differences of opinion and clashes due to ego, due to too much pride. You have to be extra careful if you are dealing with any matter linked with inheritance, any matter linked with property. You have to be on guard and alert. You got to make sure that when you're dealing or mingling with senior people in your family or profession, kindly be respectful toward them.